Welcome sa zip9.com. In this video ay tutuloy natin yung ating pag-aaral ng multiplication and division, and sa video na ito ay kukombine natin yung dalawang operations. No? So mag-solve tayo ng mga examples or ng mga exercises kung saan merong multiplication and division. Let's start with our first example. We have 8 divided by negative 14 over 3. Negative 14 over 5 times negative 7. No? So, the strategy is gawin nating multiplication lahat, no? Muna. So, magiging, again, para maging multiplication ng isang division operation, ang gagawin natin is kunin natin yung reciprocal ng divisor. So, ang divisor natin dito is negative 14 over 5. At yung reciprocal niya ay 5 or negative 5 over 14. Masyadong malapit ito, no? Baguhin natin. So, negative 5 over 14, no? Times negative 7. Okay, so puro na sila multiplication. So, wala na tayong problema. Again, pag na-multiply tayo, pag meron tayong whole number, nilalagyan natin na siya ng over 1 para hindi kayo malito. 8 over 1 times negative 15 over 4 times negative 7 over 1. So usually, pag whole number, kahit negative siya, pwede natin siyang lagyan ng over 1 para ay mas madali siyang i-multiply, no? So, pag meron na tayong maraming fractions, pwede natin i-multiply lahat ng numerator, tsaka pwede natin i-multiply lahat ng denominator, no? So, ang pwede natin gawin dito is to multiply 8 times, kamali ako dito. This is not negative 15 over 4, but negative 14 over, or negative 5 over 14. Ayun. Okay, so magiging 8. So, i-multiply natin lahat ng numerator, di ba? 8 times 5 or times negative 5 times negative 7 over 14 times 1, which is 14, no? So, pwede na tayo mag-cancel dito, no? So, 7 at saka 14, anong pwede natin i-divide sa kanilang dalawa? So, we can divide both by, this is divided by 7, di ba? Pwede rin natin ito i-divide by 7. So, this is divided by 7. So, mangyayari, ang 14 divided by 7, magiging 2 na siya. So, magiging 2 na siya. And then, yung 7 divided by 7, magiging 1 na siya, pero may negative. So, magiging negative 1 na ito. No? Negative 1. So, pwede na nating burahin to para hindi kayo malito. No? Okay? Tapos, yung 2 tsaka 8, pwede rin sila. No? 8 divided by 2 is 4. So, ang 2 divided by 2, ang common divisor nila or greatest common divisor nila is 2. So, 2 divided by 2 is 1. And then, 8 divided by 2 is 4. So, 4 times negative 5 times negative 1 is equal to 20. Okay, so of course, you can do it the long way kung hindi nyo alam tong shortcut na ito, yung cancellation. Pwede kanyong i-multiply lahat and then divide by 14. So, magiging 8 times negative 5 times negative 7, magiging negative 40. 210 divided by 14, darating din kayo dun sa 20, no? 20 rin magiging sagot nyo. Yun nga lang, mas mahaba. Siguro magkaroon tayo ng video nito, no? Yung paano ba gamitin yung cancellation, no? So, ang sagot dito is 20. Number 2, we have negative 12 divided by 3 over 4 times negative 8. So again, magiging multiplication ito tapos kunin natin yung reciprocal, magiging negative 12 times 4 over 3 times negative 8. So ito long cut ang gagawin ko dito, hindi ako mag-shortcut, no? So magiging over 1 ito, magiging over 1 din ito. So negative 12 times 4 is negative 48 yan, di ba? So negative 48 times negative 8. So ilan yan? So 48 times 8, 64 carry 6. 8 times 4 is 32, plus 6 is 38. So this is 384 over 3. Kasi negative times negative, no? So double check lang natin, 48 times 8 is, 8 times 8 is 64, carry 6. 8 times 4 is 32, 38. So 384 over 3. Of course, pwede tayo mag-long division. Hindi natin alam. Wala tayong calculator. So 384 divided by 3. 1 times 3. This is 8. This is 2. 6. 24. So 128. This is 128. Okay? So, yan lang. Yan yung pinaka-strategy natin. We convert all the division part into multiplication. Okay? So, maraming salamat and see you in the next tutorial.